Welcome back to LOISYCA'S Fashion TV channel. Here I want to explain to you how to fix a perfect tag. Now we have this tag is already made, folded on the two edges here. Remember, tags are very important, most especially on a clothing that you can't even be able to remember the front and the back, maybe to indicate the front and back. Label tag helps you to indicate the front and the back. Now, do you want to place it this way? Here is the center of a pint, like a trouser, center of a pint that is going to have elastic on the waist. Then if you see elastic waist trouser, how will you indicate the front and the back? Label tag will help you to know the part that is front and the back. Then if you fix it this way and fold it inside, I think it's a wrong idea, because to you think you have placed it very well. All you have to do is to reverse it this way. Trace the center, then place it on the center of this line of the crotch of a trouser on the waist part of it. Here is a band that I want to use to fix elastic inside it and the rope. So I want to fix my tag here, and when I fix the tag here, I have to join it on the two edges. You have to trace the center of this label tag. You have to go for your number, your size tag. Here we'll have Roman figure size tag like SS, SL, and large like L, like all X. All together we have them all here. Now I want to use SL on this tag, this very tag I'm using to explain this to you. Now I have these two edges. I have to fix my tag. Here I have placed it. I have to take it to my machine foot. Then when you take it to your machine foot, remember the parts you're going to run. You have to run it on the two edges, not running it all around the tag. That is how we used to see some people do it. It's very wrong. All you have to do is to run it on these two edges. You see the back side. Now I have to fix it inside. Now this is a facing. Face it inside. This facing here, I didn't gum it because I want to fix elastic inside it. So I want it to be very flexible. So I have to fold it inside. You see the name is already here with the logo standing out, very neat. So I have to fold it and fix my elastic inside it, like 1.5 or 2 inches elastic inside of the pint. So here is the part you stitch. Here is the part you stitch with the number tag SL, being the size tag. This one is called size tag. So I have fixed it all together. So label tags are very important. So all you have to do is to fold your facing inside, just as I said earlier, and fix your elastic. Thank you so much.